guys, welcome to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I share 3 creative ideas for your wall decor. For the first idea, we'll be using 2 of those mirrors and 6 of those glitter frames. I will start by getting the mirrors ready for spray paint, and they will be painted black. As they are drying, I then move to the frames and will be using cardstock for the inside. I took apart the frame and I'll be using one of the papers to cut inside the cardstock that will fit inside of it. I then glue the glass on the frame before putting back everything. I then repeated the same steps for the remaining 5 frames. I then took a large piece of strong cardboard and add the frames on it and started tracing them as to where the frames will go before I use gold tape to cover the open space. In order to be able to hang it on the wall, I'll be using this wire to create a hook. I'll go ahead and start gluing the frames onto the cardboard. And the final step is to add the mirrors. I'll go ahead and glue them over on where each of the corners meet. final touch, I'll be using this gold bead and put in the inner circle. voila, we have a first beautiful home decor. Now onto our second idea, we'll be using 2 floral mirrors with 3 large frame mirrors. I'll go ahead and get the floral mirrors ready for spray paint. Those 2 matching one will be spray painted black and this one will be spray painted gold. And for the larger frame mirrors, I'll be using the soft adhesive gold trim and put all around it. Then next, what I'll simply do is add the floral mirror on the middle of the larger mirror. I originally added popsicle stick at the back to make it a lot easier to glue on the mirror. The same step was then repeated for the other black mirror and the gold one. And once again, we have ourselves an elegant wall decor. For the last idea, we'll be using 9 of those party plates that will be spray painted black and 9 of those circle mirrors. Next, I cut into shape a large piece of cardboard that I will also add hooks to. I then use black contact paper to cover the supposed open space on the cardboard. As the plates are dry, I then started gluing all of them on the cardboard. I use mirror tiles to put in between the open space. And now the last thing to do for this idea is to add all the mirrors on the plates. And now let's go ahead and check the results. So excited on how those wall decors turn out. They are so beautiful, and to know that they were so easy and inexpensive to do makes it so much worth it. I really hope you guys did enjoy this project. If so, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down below which one was your favorite. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm so excited on how this turned out, and I hope you did as well. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects on tips and tricks on how to dress up your home.